A fixed header means that while your website visitor is scrolling through your website, the header remains fixed on the web page and does not scroll off the page when the visitor is scrolling downwards. To apply a fixed header, click on the settings icon at the top of the header to access the header settings. In the header settings window, at the bottom, select the circle that says Apply Fixed Header when scrolling. Then click Save. On the left navigation menu, click on the eye icon to preview the fixed header. As you scroll down the web page, the header will now be fixed to the top of the page.